Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 3 AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work in life. First up, we have magiceraser.io. It helps you in editing pictures in just a few seconds to remove objects, people, text, blemishes, patterns by selecting it with a brush and erasing with AI. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted objects from your image using magiceraser.io. Enjoy your perfect photos. Next up, we have palette.fm. It's an amazing online tool that uses AI to colorize black and white images quickly and easily. Let's get started. Click on the Upload Image button. Select the black and white photo you want to colorize from your device.
Once your image is uploaded, palette.fm will automatically start colorizing it. This process usually takes just a few seconds.
Next up, we have clipdrop.co relight. I'm going to show you how to use Clipdrop's relighting tool to transform your photos with professional quality lighting. Let's get started. Once you're on the Clipdrop relight page, you'll see an option to upload your image. Click on the upload button, and there you have it, a beautifully relighted photo with minimal effort. If you're happy with the results, you can download the image by clicking the download button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials.